Opening up my trusty knives.
What you got there?
Instructions. Now these are LED. Little LEDs inside here.
Very nice. Very nice.
Overall, they are very nice.
They look clean, yeah.
So let's go and get them installed. Now the first step to removing your taillights is to remove these 8mm bolts. I believe there's 2 plastic clips near the front that hold it in place. So you should be able to just pull it out.
Straight up. Oh.
Metal clips, actually. I think they're metal.
So there's 2.
There. I'm gonna leave the bulbs in here because these connectors just connect to the new taillight. But you are gonna have to remove this bulb. So this one I'm just gonna turn out. That one's gonna stay. There's a little tab underneath here. Push up. And try not to break the tab, even though that tab broke. Same thing with this one. Okay, both the tabs are breaking. That's weird. Your taillight's free. Now you can install the new one. So grab your new taillight. Now I would suggest putting these on first because these wires are longer. Get the bottom one.
The bottom plug.
To the bottom plug. Now these are pretty tight. These clips actually did break from the harness when you push down. I mean, you got to push down in order to remove it, but if yours break, I wouldn't worry too much about it because it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty tight. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab your other one. Now that's in, and now grab your reverse. Now, as with a lot of aftermarket ones, they're usually pretty difficult to get in at first, but it should line up perfectly. Turn. Okay. Now you're good to go.
Got it? You in there?
We are in. Now we're going to test it out before we bolt everything back up.
Right.
Those actually look really cool. They do light up a little bit right there too.
Oh yeah. Awesome. Oh wow. Yeah, that is LED. That's bright. You just gotta try the reverse. Yeah, you're good. Yep, blinker's working.
All right, so now you gotta get these tabs in. Them lined up. Should be able to just push back this way. Like that.
Nice.
Put the 2 bolts in and you're good to go. That actually looks really good. It matches up perfectly
really
with
good.
the sticker. 8mm back in and you are good to go.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Every now and then you gotta upgrade. All right?
You gotta upgrade your life.
Then you gotta accept the fact that electric is the future.
Weren't they electric before?
No.
What kind of taillights you got?
And then if I wanted to match my headlights, I could always open these up and paint all of that black white.
Just leave it be, Bob. Why are you always trying to paint something?
I just want to destroy stuff. So I got these from FASTMODZ.com. They were kind enough to. So I got these from FASTMODZ.com. They were kind enough. Why do I keep saying knife? That's going in the blooper reel.
Uh-huh.
So I got these from FASTMODZ.com. They were kind enough.
Oh!